So where has our food journey brought us today? More importantly in my mind right now is what time is it exactly? We're here at a breakfast spot and this is a breakfast show. So actually my creative input for this show today was to try to shoot this in the middle of the afternoon at a decent hour so I didn't have to be bleary-eyed while I'm doing the shoot. But apparently we're trying to be very authentic. So for the love of food, I have woken up bright and early trying to show you how breakfast is done right here in Lahore. So I'm sitting here at a very popular breakfast spot and as we all know, breakfast is a very important part of the day. It's an important meal and in Pakistan we take our breakfast very, very seriously. A typical breakfast meal can range anywhere from deep fried puri to really sweet halwa and chane to nihari. And yes, nihari surprises people a lot as a breakfast food, but the actual word nihari means early in the morning. It's derived from the word nihar, which is dawn. So yeah, nihari and parathe and omelets and all of that really rich stuff, which a lot of people might have a tough time stomaching. I know I do, but I also enjoy the sort of staying up late at night with friends and going for a quick breakfast run for a halwa puri. This place is a Capri, which is pretty popular with a lot of Lahoris for breakfast, and people will be here either sort of after a late night, just show up here at 5 in the morning. They used to open around 4:30, I believe, or just come in right before going to work around 7:30 or 8 in the morning. And they serve breakfast right up to 11 or 12 o'clock, so it's nice and decadent. Decided I'm going to go for the halwa puri and even some of the bhaji. But just as it goes on this show, that apparently I have to cook first and then I get to eat. So yeah, why don't you join me? It doesn't get more real than this. I'm going to be cooking right on the street side here in the middle of Lahore, and then I'll get to enjoy my meal. Right here in the middle of Liberty Market, and I'm standing on a sidewalk outside Capri restaurant, which is a famous, very popular breakfast spot. It's kind of chaotic right now because this is breakfast time and a lot of people are in a hurry to get their food. I see a lot of cars over there and people end up eating a lot of the halwa puri in their cars as well. And I see a bunch of school students over there as well. I don't know if they're skipping school or just here for a quick bite before they head over. But now we'll see what legendary halwa puri is made out of. So we're going to start making some halwa over here. Halwe ke andar aapne kaha 2 kilo ghee. 2 kgs of ghee.
2 kilo ghee.
I've mentioned quite a few times, desi ghee is quite a pride of this part of the country. अब इसको पिघलाएंगे और उसके बाद इसके अंदर आपने कहा था 2 किलो चीनी,
2 किलो सूजी,
2 kgs of semolina plus 5 kgs of sugar are going to go into this. This is what we have for breakfast. While this heats up, I'm looking around and we have anda and paratha being made over here as well, which is a very traditional, once again, breakfast meal. Omelette with paratha. It's a complete meal. Very, very tempting, but I'll focus on.
अब गर्म हो गई है ये सूजी 2 किलो.
Wow, it's boiling up. इसको भूनना है ना थोड़ी देर के लिए. You have to make sure that there's no lumps forming in there. It's actually just deep frying right now. The semolina is deep frying within the oil, and we're trying to get rid of any lumps. ये मैं कर देती हूँ. Gently stirring it. It's a good workout for the arms. हाँ, यहाँ लोग आना शुरू कितने बजे होते हैं नाश्ते के लिए?
वो तो तकरीबन हम आज जो नया टाइम है इसके हिसाब से तो हम 3 बजे आते हैं.
3 बजे.
तो भी 3 बजे भी आए होते हैं, शटर भी नहीं उठाते तो कहते भी नाश्ता दे दो.
फजर से पहले पहुँच जाते हैं लोग?
बहुत जल्दी. एतवार को जब छुट्टी वाले दिन तो बहुत जल्दी आते हैं, 1 बजे भी आ जाते हैं.
दोपहर रात के 1 बजे आ जाते हैं?
1 बजे आ जाते हैं, 2 बजे आ जाते हैं.
और इतवार के दिन आप लोग नाश्ता कब तक सर्व करते हैं?
इतवार वाले दिन जो नया टाइम है 3 बजे तक.
3 बजे तक सर्व करते हैं.
इसका जी बनेगा वजन तकरीबन 15 किलो. जब ये जो झाग आ रही ना इसकी ये ख़त्म हो जाएगी, थोड़ी सी ये सुर्ख हो जाएगी.
अच्छा.
लाइट से ज़्यादा नहीं, लाइट सी हो जाएगी तो आप इसमें पानी का छटा लगा के देख सकते हैं. पानी लगाने से ना वो यकदम जब आवाज़ निकलेगी किसी ज़्यादा
अच्छा,
तो ये लाल हो गई है। खुशबू भी आएगी इसकी, आप जितनी मर्जी दूर खड़े हैं इसकी खुशबू
खुशबू जरूर आएगी इसकी।
हाँ, कि लाल हो गई है।
खुशबू के लिए आप लोग इलायची भी डालते हैं ना आखिर में?
हाँ, वो बाद में डालें।
वो आप बाद में
इलायची डाल लें, आप बादाम डाल लें, कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं, पिस्ता,
ठीक है।
अखरोट, कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं आप।
और आप कह रहे थे कि इसके अंदर जो है या हम चीनी डालेंगे, फिर चीनी के बाद हम 8 किलो उसके अंदर
हाँ,
पानी डालेंगे। 2 किलो सूजी, 5 किलो चीनी, 8 किलो हम जो है पानी डालेंगे।
ये सूजी है जी, चीनी है 5 किलो। हिलाना नहीं आप इसको आपने, ठीक है। ये पानी है, ये 8 किलो पानी। पीछे हो जाए थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाए बस आप, छोड़ दें इसको। ये कलर पड़, ये कलर है जी,
जी
ये इलायची है, इसको फेंक के इसमें
इलायची फेंक दूंगा। I can see they've opened up the cardamom over here. They've actually peeled it, opened it up, and are now going to throw this inside. For some bizarre reason, I used to think that the halwa was actually orange on its own. Didn't realize that there was a lot of food coloring added to it. वैसे बगैर कलर के भी बनता है ना सूजी का हलवा? ये बताएं मुझे कि आप लोग यहाँ रश सबसे ज़्यादा कब होता है नाश्ते के?
छुट्टी वाले दिन।
छुट्टी वाले दिन
या जिस दिन बारिश आ जाए।
जिस दिन बारिश, अच्छा बारिश में भी इंजॉय किया जाता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा जी।
ये बताएं,
पूरी मिलती नहीं है बारिश वाले दिन, तो इतना रश होता है। स्टूडेंट लड़के आते हैं।
कोई मशहूर लोग देखे आपने यहाँ कभी?
हाँ, सभी आते हैं। शान वगैरह अदा कर तकरीबन सभी आते हैं।
सारे अदाकार
सैमा और सैयद नूर साहब, अहमद भट्ट और सऊद, बाबर अली,
अच्छा
रेशम, सभी आते हैं तकरीबन। मीरा, रीमा, ये इलाका है जंटरी का, तो यहाँ तो आएंगे सभी।
This is definitely quite a popular spot, celebrity spot. It's interesting to note how the cooking technique doesn't involve specific timings that in 10 minutes you'll have to sort of take it off and add the water. It's all about actually being involved with this food, looking at it and seeing it through the process. So I mean, he's trying to note that when it starts bubbling up, that's when you want to put it on steam, or when to add the water, you need to add the water when the oil has started foaming on the top. And that is a pretty unique thing, because generally all recipes state 10 minutes, 15 minutes, do this, do that. They really don't have a concept of time over here. ये तो नज़र आ रहा है मुझे. It's starting to texturize now. You can see the halwa is actually starting to formulate.
अब ये दम पे लगेगा. अब ये थोड़ा सा ना सख्त हो गया ये.
जी. और जब आप बाहर ये बनाते हैं, जैसे आप खड़े होकर भी बना रहे हैं, तो अगले कितने घंटे तक ये सही रहेगा? आप इसको कब फेंक देंगे बाहर?
हम आज बनाया ना इसको, अगर ये ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो हम सुबह फेंक देंगे इसको, इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे।
इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, सुबह में फेंक देंगे आप इसको, और इसको हम फिर पूरियों के साथ एंजॉय करेंगे। So why don't we move over now to the puris and see how they're made, as this slow cooks for a while and it comes together as the halwa I'll get to eat in a little while. Let's move on over to the puris now. अच्छा, पूरियों को आप मैदे से, किस चीज़ से, मैदे से बनाते हैं?
हाँ, फैन होता है, मैदा भी नहीं होता, फैन होता है।
अच्छा,
फैन होता है।
एंड दिस फ्लिप, ये आपको किसने करना सिखाया? मैं उस वक्त से देख रही थी, ये किस तरह से करते हैं? दिखाएं कौन सा?
हाँ, ये सीखना पड़ता है जी, हर काम का एक उस्ताद होता है।
That's true.
आपका कोई भी काम है।
It's a skill. I'm not even going to attempt to do the flip because I think I'll make a fool out of myself. I'll let the experts do what they're doing best. इसको आप कितनी देर तक, घी को कितनी देर तक गर्म किया आपने?
कितनी देर से? 10-15 मिनट में हो जाए अच्छी तरह। जब गर्म, जैसे धुआं निकल रहा है, ये धुआं पूरी तकरीबन 5 सेकंड में बाहर आ जानी चाहिए। इतना गर्म होना चाहिए।
5 सेकंड में?
हाँ, 5 सेकंड में बाहर आ जानी चाहिए।
ठीक है। और इसके मैदे के अंदर आप इसके मावे में डालते क्या?
हाँ, मावा ये होता है कि इसमें 2 किलो आप ले लें, फैन ले लें
जी। 2
किलो फैन में आप हस्बे ज़ायका नमक डाल लें। हाँ। और उसमें आप तकरीबन 200 ग्राम घी डाल लें। तो उसमें पानी बस गूंद लें, जैसे घर में आटा बनाते हैं। हाँ, हाँ। गूंद लें अच्छी तरह बस।
It is almost similar to pancakes. When you're making pancakes at home, it's quite similar to that, except it's deep fried and it's flattened out a little more. और ये बस हाथ से करते हैं इसको, आप बेलते हैं?
नहीं, बेलते नहीं।
बेलते नहीं, हाथ से करते हैं।
6 मिनट
जरा कोशिश तो करते हैं ना।
बनेगा नहीं, लेकिन
नहीं बनेगा ना। कैसे करते हैं? Yeah, I think I should stick to the theory that I'm going to make a fool out of myself. So let's give this one up. Sorry, huh? One should do only what one knows they're capable of. That's quite a value for money, huh? For about 25 rupees you can get 3 puris, bit of halwa, potatoes and chane ki dal with achar and raita. I think that's quite good value for money.
Yeah.
So let's move over now back to our halwa and see how it's coming along. अच्छा इसका घी अब तक तो ऊपर आ गया है, हाँ?
ये आ गया तो क्या हुआ, मिक्स हो जाएगा.
Generally, when I'm cooking at home, if there's a lot of ghee or oil, we try to like tend to take it off. But I was just told that it's you know, try to speak over the loud horns here on Liberty Market. But when I told him that the oil has come up on top, he said, "Oh, it doesn't matter. We can just mix it all up together."
Now that we've seen how the popular halwa puri is made, let's take a look at some other staples found on the tables of breakfast lovers across Lahore.
The lassi is generally a drink which is enjoyed for breakfast. People like to have it a little sweeter, but sometimes you're having it with a meal such as lunch or dinner, then people prefer it to be slightly salty. So they don't add the sugar in it, then it's just yogurt and ice that's blended. The human blender is blending it together, and it's a really, really refreshing drink that is enjoyed. This and the sugarcane juice. Those are the two things that are very, very distinctly enjoyed in the hot, hot weathers in Pakistan. That's quite innovative. We have a to-go cup for lassi as well. Eat that, Starbucks.
We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But what exactly does this mean? Well, studies have shown that eating breakfast not only makes you more alert and active throughout the day, but a balanced breakfast of slow-releasing carbs, protein and some fats can actually help with weight loss too. We were directed to the ever-popular Bong Wala who pedals in at 5 a.m. every morning to sell the bong from his cart, and by 7 a.m. it's all sold out. The consistent queue of people at the crack of dawn proves there's something worth waiting for in his recipe.
रेस्टोरेंट है इनके पास, आपको पता है जनता टेस्ट मांगती है, उसके बाद फिर टेस्ट के अलावा काम भी इनका अच्छा है, मेहनत भी है.
I also had the pleasure of trying the ever-famous Bhatt Saab ki lassi near Gawal Mandi.
बस ये समझ लें बाप दादा ने अबाओ ने ये कारोबार शुरू किया और ये हमारी पहचान बन गई है कि गवाल मंडी में फीका दूध दही वाला पेड़ों वाली लस्सी जिनकी मशहूर है.
The uniqueness of the lassi lies in the khoya used. The sweet khoya is made into pedas and then vigorously churned into a paste. The milk is then added and churned a little more until the khoya rises to the top. The ingredients are all completely unprocessed and freshly made every single day. The lassi is served in traditional pital glasses, which also help keep it cool for longer during the hot summer months.
Wow, very refreshing. And it's interesting to note how we've gone from traditional metal cups to go, which shows the popularity of the lassi, where people will just come, pick it up, take it in their car and drive off with a refreshingly cool glass of lassi. Well, now that I've toiled in the heat, cooking the halwa and the puri, and thanks to load shedding this time of year, unfortunately there was no electricity inside, so instead of sitting inside in the dining hall, I opted to sit right out here and yet again enjoy the sights and sounds of Liberty Market as I have my halwa and puri. I'm also going to ignore the oil that is seeping through onto the newspaper from this puri, but wow, this is so good, and this really brings back memories of childhood, of Sunday morning nashta with the parents, and halwa puri was such a big treat at that time. And surprisingly, the 5 kgs of sugar that went into this, can't taste them. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. We had a friend visiting from abroad recently, and when we fed him a typical Pakistani breakfast, he was so shocked that we tend to mix all our flavors. This is the sort of almost sour aloo sabzi, and the sweetness of the halwa mixed with the complete bitter taste of the achar. But needless to say, he really enjoyed himself. Well, that's it for me. I'm going to try to tackle this plate of halwa puri and the chana, and I'll catch you next time in some other fabulous destination in the search of food.
This program was brought